Alright, y'all. Before I get started with the video, I just want to go ahead and try the food from yesterday, like I said. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get right into it. Alright, y'all. This is the food that I was going to try right here. And that's the other one. It looks a little bit different, but this one is the Homo tender beef with mashed potatoes and gravy. If y'all can see right there. And I'll be opening this one. Hold on, before I do that, let me go get a plate real quick. Alright, got a plate. And need some spoon so I can scoop this out. Oh, maybe the fork will work. But yeah. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Ooh. Oh shit, it was frozen. Do you see that? It was frozen. Holy moly. I'm gonna scoop this out if I get a chance to. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to. Yeah, it's frozen shut. So I might have to put this in on the plate. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Alright. Into the fridge you go. 5 minutes as always. And let's see what it do. Yeah, y'all. As y'all can tell, I just pulled this food out of the microwave and it's still cold, but I ain't really complaining about it. So yeah. Let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. It's not that bad. Let's get the beef. Mix it with the potatoes. Yeah. It's pretty good food, to say the least. Again, thank you, Victoria, for sending me this food. But with that being said, let's get into the video. What the fuck? That is creepy.
On the day of my own funeral.
Oh!
Bess, you accidentally hit me.
She just slapped the fuck out of her. Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and today I'll be reacting to Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and today I am back at it again with another video. It is Scary Saturdays because I've seen this before myself. Today I'll be reacting to Mouthwash Madness by Warner Bros. TV. But yeah, with that being said, let's hold on. That being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to their channel and my channel. And let's get right into it. Oh, too loud. Excuse me. Lisa Vanderberg.
Oh, good morning, Anne. Doorstep.
Okay.
Good morning, Bess. Yeah, what's so good about it? Thank you. You're welcome. You know what they say, a happy smile, a happy life.
Yeah.
Who says that? Teeth Fairy? Yes, it
You
is
need
me.
Tooth Fairy?
Guys, clap. Oh. Not again. Oh, yes, it is me. Thank you, thank you. Simmer down, simmer down, simmer down. Is that my construction paper? No. Shh, don't look. Hurry! I needed that for school. Why do you always have to? I'm gonna go watch TV. Door stuck. I know it's stuck.
Jeez, someone got a bad attitude this morning.
You children. I got the door unstuck. Wooka, 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 wooka.
She just swallowed mouthwash. Ain't that some shit?
Terrible news, everyone. Your favorite sister is soon to be dead. I'm dying.
Yeah, that's not true.
She's lying. Oh? Oh! No, it's true. I drank the mouthwash, so now I am dead. Marie's
Yeah, no, you're
dying.
not.
Stop it, both of you! Oh, I get it. You're all so overwhelmed with grief that you've spiraled into denial. Stop blocking the TV! Oh, am I blocking your precious TV? Wooga, wooga, wooga. You'll miss me when I'm dead! Doubt it. Fine!
For a second there, I thought you wanted me to reference to that one song. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Marie, it's time for Din Din. Oh, what's this? Welcome to my funeral. Does Mom know you're playing with matches? Again? Does Mom know you're drinking cough syrup? Again? Now sit down and partake in this bounty which I have provided. Din Din? Yes, Lini. Din Din. Yay! Uncooked spaghetti noodles. And orange drink! You ungrateful. You know, for a funeral, there's not as much grieving happening as I'd like. Then die faster. I think it's
Okay,
time
now
for
she's
you.
drinking cough syrup
Anyone have
with
some
the
final
orange drink.
words?
I don't know what that is, but it is like some kind of orange juice.
Oh,
She's
I
enjoying
hear
that
what you
food.
do. Marie told me I had to write. She's so silly. Go on, Lini. The floor is yours. Okay. We will miss our dearest sister Marie, even though she smelled like pee-pee and was a cannibal who ate all of her children's. Let me see that. Oh. I see what happened here. You reused the eulogy from the hamster's funeral.
Oh.
Marie, your human sister! Well,
Okay,
I
she
think
was
we're
singing.
done here. No! Nobody leaves until I see some tears! This is dumb. Mouthwash can't kill you.
Well,
I guess
I'm
you'll
not
find
sure
out
about
firsthand
that.
soon
It
enough.
could burn your
What
throat,
do
the inside of
you
your throat.
mean?
Pause.
That orange drink you were sipping? It was poisoned with... Oh, shit. Poisoned with mouthwash! Why would you do that? What is wrong with you? I don't know. Hey, wait just a minute. If we're all poisoned, then how come only Marie gets to have a funeral? I want one too!
Okay.
No, the funeral was my idea. You guys are always copying me. Enough! I've got a eulogy for you. To our sister Marie. That's me. The phone! What?
Jeez.
Who
Oh my
was
god,
so
that food.
self-absorbed and blind to everyone's feelings but her own that she rips up people's construction paper, kills their pet hamster, allegedly, and poisons her little sisters just for the fun of it. So rest in peace, Marie. You will not be missed. I just don't understand where all this is coming from. She's
Me
talking
neither.
crazy, right, Leanie?
Or maybe.
Leanie? You did poison us. And
what the fuck? That is creepy.
So this is how I find out, is it? How dare the three of you turn against me? And on the day of my own funeral.
Oh!
Bess, you accidentally hit me.
She just slapped the fuck out of her.
I'm gonna kill you for real! You little... After everything I do for you! Please stop! Hates you! Why don't you care that I'm dead? Tell me you'll miss me or I'll kill you!
That's crazy. They just beefing with each other, back and forth. That was a crazy ending.
Hey, I won't tell Mom about the funeral if you don't tell her I'm drinking cough syrup again. Deal. Clink.
Drinking cough syrup is terrible for y'all. Don't do that. It's not worth it. But yeah. Sorry, I was drinking my water. But yeah, let's go ahead and see who played these characters again. Andrew Morgado is Anne. Alex Cazares is Bess. Shannon Chan Kent is Kathleen. Tessa Netting is Marie. But yeah, that was some chaotic shit right there. They just got going on. The whole funeral situation, them drinking mouthwash, cough syrup, and all that fancy jargons. But yeah, with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to their channel and my channel. And with that being said, I am out.